This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Kelly Scarborough. Location: very well kept home west/easy access to LRAFB, freeway and new elementary school. This one sits on large corner lot and has oversized garage. Popular split bedroom floor plan. Updates include new roof 2021, water heater 2020, HVAC system 2017. Fenced backyard west/beautiful landscaping and covered patio. Inside boasts gas fireplace, huge laundry room west/sink and pantry. Jetted tub and shower west/dual shower heads in main bath. Custom wood cabinets, and large closets. Double sinks both baths. See agent remarks. For more information, review the details below or contact